Today we are in the mysterious depths of the HPS factory. In fact, we're deep inside the factory in the R&D room. What am I doing here? Well, we had a question recently from a client who was concerned about our pigs traveling through a series of valves. So we thought, well, let's show them doing it. So, firstly, when I talk about pig, I'm talking about one of these. This is a specialist device used by companies that process liquids or transfer liquids through pipelines, and it saves them tens, sometimes hundreds of thousands of pounds, dollars, euros worth of product every year. So, back to the question. If you look at the series of valves behind me, or down here, so if you take a look at these valves, valves are often set up like this in valve arrays. Now, the reason for the question is that not all pigs can travel through valves like this reliably. Now, the HPS pig is specifically shaped for maximum contact with the pipeline wall, so it negotiates these valves extremely quickly. But more importantly, it maintains exceptionally high product recovery rates, 99.5% plus, even when it's going through a series of valves. Now, one of the reasons it can do this is because it doesn't contain any solid magnets. It's completely flexible all the way through. Instead of a solid magnet, it contains a flexible magnetic core. I don't actually recommend using pigs which contain solid magnets anyway, because if they escape from the pig, if there's a problem, it's going to break shutter, contaminate the line and cause all sorts of issues for you. So, let's have a look at the HPS pig. It's a basic cylindrical shape, but it's designed to maximize surface contact along the inside of the pipe. In that way, you get extremely high performance, even through these complex valve arrays. Now, if you use a pig with different profiles, say, for example, fin pigs or complex profile pigs, you're more likely to get problems. They're more likely to rip, catch, tear, or not maintain the product recovery rates you're looking for. The HPS pig, however, is soft, it's flexible, it's actually very forgiving. Even if the valves aren't perfectly aligned, you may still get away with it and still get full product recovery. You won't get that with other pigs. If you've got a question about pigging, put something in the comments or message me directly and I'll get back to you. Cheers.